the representative of NEC, Alaji Shetima Abdukada is a General Manager of Finance and Management Services. Dr. Usman Arabi, General Manager of Public Relations at NEC. Mrs. Majisola Abdul, Chairman Mojek International. Mrs. Chantel Abdul, MD CEO Mojek International. Engineer Balogan, COO Mojek. Our board member, Mr. Emmanuel Katepa, and MD for CEC Africa. Our board member, Mr. Doat. Mr. Kunle, President of Nigeria Consumer Protection Network. The Chairman of NECAM, Mr. Tom. The Secretary, Mr. Uket Obonga. The bank's representatives. The Chairman of the River Park. Other distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen.
You shake me, I know it's tripod, I beg.
Another visible and bold effort aimed at closing the metering gap that exists in the Nigerian electricity supply industry. This current effort and several other interventions which Abuja Electricity Distribution Company has been implementing over the years speaks to our strong resolve and commitment to the overall transformation agenda of our company. The transformation is aimed at continuous improvement of all aspects of our business operations, whose effect will ultimately translate into provision of excellent service. The issue of metering, or lack of it, as you know, has been a frontline issue in the industry because of the critical contribution to the long-term growth and sustainability of the electricity industry. Provision of meters improves customer relations, transparency in electricity transactions, improves cash flows, and contributes to the reduction of both commercial and collection losses. The improved collection efficiencies can improve the sector viability, reduce the need for high tariff in the medium to long term, while freeing resources for continuous expansion of electricity services and other quality improvements. Metering may not be a silver bullet, but it's certainly a copper bullet. You know, I come from a copper producing country, and you know, a copper bullet is just as effective as a silver bullet. The introduction of MAP intervention by NEC is yet an important milestone towards various efforts of closing the metering gap. It is on that note that we must appreciate the effort of the regulator NEC for designing and midwifing this creative solution, which in our opinion is a game changer if embraced by our customers. For the duration of the process of shortlisting and approval of MAP contractors, NEC stood firmly, ensuring that the due diligence was observed in order to ensure that all the parties in the process were equitably represented and their interests adequately catered for in a transparent and fair manner for the benefit of the customers and the industry. The vendors selected for AEDC are Mojek, Turbo Energy, and Meron Consortium. While Mojek will handle FCT and Kogi State, Turbo Energy will operate in Niger State, while Meron Consortium will operate in Nasarawa State. In all, 900,000 customers have been scheduled for metering in the AEDC franchise area, for instance. Being a moving target, we are aware that the number may rise with new connections, and as it does, the vendors will take them along to achieve 100% metering target. This project is planned and expected to be completed within 36 months. The pedigree of the vendors approved for AEDC by the regulator are well known to us as we have worked with them in the past. We are optimistic that together we will deliver on this project as we have done on our previous engagements. I therefore congratulate the MAP vendors ahead of their successful handling of the project. As part of the project, we have implemented complementary activities by providing the back-end ICT facilities to make the process very simple and user-friendly. Our integrated commercial management system, in short InCMS, which has been commissioned recently by the NEC chairman, has further simplified the processes associated with this project because it will provide online real-time visibility of all MAP activities. This visibility will improve the management of the project. The final message to our customers is that we are urging all of you, our customers, to take full advantage of this program so that together we can close the metering gap and end the legacy of estimated billing and the associated controversies. I thank you all and God bless this program. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I thought you would give a bigger round of applause, especially because this is the end estimated billing.